We call Ohmium's solution hyper-modular because we're obsessively focused with keeping the time on site as short as possible and making it as low cost as possible. We've pre-engineered all of the interfaces so they're very quick to make. The cabinets are pre-tested in the factory. When the cabinets arrive on site, they go together in a very orderly fashion. A big part of what we do is trying to avoid customers ever needing to bring a crane on site, because that always involves some kind of $10,000, 10,000 euros, etc. So again, what's the underlying principle here? The underlying principle is making all this as short in time as possible, because time is money. The shorter the time is, the lower the cost of the project is going to be.